ISO 14001, the International Standard for Environmental Management Systems, offers a framework for reducing environmental impact and improving sustainability. However, many South African businesses face challenges in its implementation, such as understanding complex requirements and integrating them into existing processes. To overcome these hurdles, companies should start by conducting a thorough gap analysis to identify areas needing improvement. Training employees on ISO 14001 standards is crucial for smooth integration. Additionally, developing clear documentation and setting measurable objectives can streamline the process. Regular audits and reviews ensure continuous improvement and compliance. By fostering a culture of environmental responsibility, businesses can align their operations with ISO 14001 requirements effectively. For those seeking expert assistance, Popularcert is a trusted ISO certification provider in South Africa. They offer tailored solutions to simplify the certification process, ensuring businesses meet all necessary standards efficiently. Their expertise can be invaluable in navigating the complexities of ISO 14001 implementation. Implementing ISO 14001 in South Africa can be challenging, but with the right strategies and expert guidance, businesses can achieve compliance and enhance their environmental performance. Embracing these solutions leads to sustainable operations and long-term success. E-commerce businesses handle sensitive customer data like credit card details. ISO 27001 ensures this data is encrypted and stored securely. Compliance with the Protection of Personal Information Act and the General Data Protection Regulation is also guaranteed. ISO 27001 helps prevent cyber attacks by implementing firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and multi-factor authentication. Regular vulnerability assessments ensure that businesses stay ahead of potential threats, safeguarding both data and reputation. Displaying the ISO 27001 certification badge on your website reassures customers that their data is protected. This increases conversions and fosters brand loyalty, as customers feel confident in the security of their transactions. Data breaches can lead to hefty fines and lawsuits. ISO 27001 minimizes these financial and legal risks by ensuring compliance with data protection laws, providing a robust framework for data security. A structured incident response plan under ISO 27001 allows businesses to quickly recover from cyber attacks, minimizing downtime and revenue loss. This ensures that operations continue smoothly, even in the face of adversity. ISO 27001 certification offers a competitive advantage, global recognition, and reduced cyber insurance costs. Partnering with Popularcert in Johannesburg ensures expert guidance, fast certification, and comprehensive training for maintaining compliance.